I was just finishing up some work, checking some email, checking my Slack, checking my GChat, checking my Skype, answering texts. The messages never end. It goes on and never stops. Everyone wants something that only I can give. Salesforce. Salesforce functionality, Salesforce workflows, Salesforce cases, the list goes on and on. They all want something, and it's my job to give it to him. But then he walked in. I let him pace. I tried to assess. Was this North Star? Was it burn the ships?
It's lightning.
We'll get there. We've got a million things to do first. We've got to fix data. We've got to do KYC. We've got to fix onboarding.
Forget it all. Forget all of it, Eddie.
All of it, David?
Don't you get it? We move to Lightning, we get a clean slate, we take care of the data, we take care of servicing, and we accelerate.
Is this guy insane?
Oh, I get it. You've been talking to the Salesforce reps again?
Maybe, but what of it?
What are we supposed to do? No development? Our customers will never go for it.
It'll just be 6 months, Eddie.
6 months? Never.
Look, our customers will buy it, okay? Once we show them what Lightning can do, once we can solve all of their problems with just Lightning.
6 months, huh?
6 months, and instead of these problems, Eddie, you're gonna have a whole bunch of new problems.
6 months?
6 months.
You got
Tops.
Got yourself a deal.
We didn't come here to redesign the whole thing.
We are Rogue One and Jedi. I see a whole bunch of developers here with incredible talents. We are the best in the company. What will you do with your talents? Let's go ahead and prove our development skills.
Develop and all those redesigns? No, will not. We'll continue to build as you always have in the service mapping utility.
Oh yeah, move to Lightning would be exciting and tough. Staying with the old design and classic with service mapping utility will be easy, at least for a while. Struggling with old code as Lightning rapidly becomes more capable? Would you be willing to trade all the days from this day to that for one chance, just one chance to come back here and tell the SMU that they may take our time, but they will never take our processes?
So Elaine, we have to practice user empathy. We have to do much more than simply ask questions. That doesn't really get us what we need to know.
But I just need to ask the questions, see what they need. I don't actually care about them.
I can see why this might be daunting, but I've done some research and I really know that it's much easier if you acknowledge the end user's feelings.
Ew.
Don't worry, okay, I can understand. Why don't we practice? Okay, I'll be the end user. Let's go.
We are changing the entire workflow of the system.
That upsets me. I'm quite upset.
I acknowledge your feelings.
Oh, wow, I feel acknowledged. Thank you for acknowledging me. It will take me 7 minutes now to give me my full requirements. That went well.
the Lightning Service Console.
What about phase 2?